was asked to make this cake. I found out that it was for a subscriber who has been subscribed for a couple of years now. Thank you so much. I know that our interaction was only about 10 seconds long. But she was so sweet. You are awesome. So this video is for you. Hopefully you don't find it too weird. She just wanted a heart cake, and that was fine with me because it was still very cute. If you haven't done so yet, go ahead and subscribe to the channel, press on the notification bell, and let's get started. The first thing that I'm going to do is make my cake batter. This heart-shaped silicone pan for a very long time and never had to use it. I can finally use it. The only issue with using a molded pan for this is that I can't use my bake even strips, which keeps my cakes super moist. But I'm going to bake it regularly in that pan, and we'll see how it turns out. For this cake, I did a strawberry frosting. I just took the regular frosting and then I added some fresh strawberries and then blended everything together until it was smooth and creamy. Shaped, so I carved it a little bit further. I carved right here, more of a V, so that it would be very prominent and dominant in the cake. I crumb coated the entire cake in vanilla frosting, and then I put it in the refrigerator. This was my first and only cupcake contest. I won for the professionals. I don't even really know if I was a professional or not. I guess I was selling cakes out my house, but I don't really. Lastly, I'm going to pipe a white border onto the cake as well as a pink border. This is for your edges, but Dougie Fresh taught me that. Anyway.